Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned about the different possibility. Now we want to see whether we can look for this one as a correction to look for buy or not. Okay, anyway, first of all, we start with higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, as you can see, every time the price broke the previous top, it start to correct, and then from there we could look for next move. And now the question is, this one can turn to, I mean, this correction can be similar to any of this. That's mean, can we look for buy? Okay, now we're looking at, we see whether based on lower time frame we can look for reversal or not. Okay, anyway, we move to lower time frame. The only thing is based on forward chart, we want to see if we get the correction here, any trade setup from here, we will take it. Okay, but what we have right now is like, we don't have any trade setup right now, we have to wait. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart, and what we're looking for, we're looking for this. Okay, that's mean if we get any buy setup, we will take it. And right now we have to wait, this correction can to turn to a bigger correction. That means still we have for wait, I will still we have to wait before we look for trade. And having entry above this, for me, I won't suggest it, because what I have here is still a, I mean, it doesn't conform for us, because having entry above this simply can tag and drop. That's why still we have to wait maybe a few more hours. Then from there we can see whether we can have entry above this or not, for in case the price sharply continue from here, or we wait this one turn to a big correction before we take the trade. Okay, and if the price sharply continue from here, we can look for the next flag for trade. But the best thing is, as I mentioned, we wait this on turn to a deeper correction. Then from there we see how we can look for trade, and we see whether we can have entry above the top or not. Okay, and how about, is there any possibility the price can retest this low? Right now, from what we have right now, we cannot expect that. But if we get any sharp move with a flag, then this is where we can look for the down move. We are not going to look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up, and we have to wait and see whether we can, I mean, this correction can, is better to turn to more complex. That means we, at least if we wait under 2 to 4 hours, then from there if we get any buy setup, we can take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank